Hello and welcome back. So last video we have added an audio file to HTML page. So this is one step advanced to that video. That is, we are going to add a video to our page. So tag named video, and I have file named 1.mp4 in my desktop, and the type is video and video slash mp4. The file type is mp4. That's it. So now we will reload the page again. So the video is displayed here with all the controls, picture in picture. So full screen and volume control too.
This video is sponsored by E3schools. Click the link in description and stand a chance to win 10 lakh.
See, so the video is playing. So this is how we can add a video to our web page. So here from now we have discussed adding a text to a web page, image, audio file, video file, and more input types also. So hope this video is useful. In case you have any queries, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.